Put your feet on the ring. That's it. Lean back. Right. Lower it to lower down. You can do it. Lower. Go on then, you pull it up, Bridget. There. That's a bit close together there. Get it out of there. Do what you got. Look, Kai. You got the middle here. You got the middle there. You got the middle there. Before you do any more over there, you need to space them.
Okay.
Kind of do it in the middle.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Do 5 or 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That one. Oh, have I just left that over there?
No. And count how many.
That's 5.
That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Well done. Oh, it's a bit.
Could you give me another one?
It's a bit tough for you there, Shay.
We need them all. Okay, one here. Okay, I'm gonna go. 1, 2.
Just do about in the middle. That's it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you put your finger down for me, Jack. Your finger down's long.
So I'll mark it. There you go. Where's your tool gone? Right, out of the way. Move up, Shay.
Move up.
Don't rush
Move
it.
up, Shay.
Push it down. Go on. A bit more. Good job. Well, go in the middle of the other ones. There's what go over there. One middle there. One middle there. Just do it evenly. And you'll find it's the best. All right. Roughly in the middle there somewhere. There we go. There we go. You got the wrong one. In that case, get yourself in position. Yeah. Right, listen, that's right on the edge, so you got to be careful with that. That could hurt you. Put the spring back in there. Pull it. Both hands. Put your feet on. Both hands. That's it. It's locked in. If it's just on the edge like that, you have to be careful it doesn't ping off. If it pings off, it can hurt you. Right, wait, which one's the next biggest? You always work to the next biggest. If that one's the next biggest, you do this one. This one looks pretty big here, Kai. Alright, do that one. Looks like that one in the middle there. Yeah. I'll get yourself in the right position.
Oh, wait.
You need your feet on there. Go on, put. There.
Good.
Yeah.
Which was the biggest now?